Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at One UI 7. This is beta 2 for everybody in the US, or beta 1 for the few countries that got it on the second go around. But I figured I would do a couple week follow-up here because it's been a couple weeks since we got this beta, and we are expecting beta 3 here relatively shortly, hopefully in the next couple of days or so, if not this coming up Monday. It's probably going to be either Saturday or Sunday when you see this video, so hopefully in the next day or so, we will have beta 3 for US users. But beta 2 has been pretty stable as well, just as beta 1 was. They've been very stable, well-performing betas. They've all had their, issues here and there, but nothing too crazy. I wouldn't say really any more bugs than a stable release. Honestly, would have kind of still, laying around. We did get a fix for the now bar being persistent when you have a music app. Like I had Apple Music, if I closed the app or I wasn't playing music, the now bar would never go away. It does now go away automatically. I don't have to turn it off or anything like that. One thing coming up in beta 3 is I saw we are going to get a faster fingerprint unlock and animation, so you can literally kind of almost just like swipe on the fingerprint sensor and it unlocks. As you can see here on beta 2, it is very quick as well. You literally just tap it and it's unlocked. So beta 3 is actually supposed to improve on that and be a little bit faster. I did see some animations of it and some videos of it over on X. Hopefully, one of the things on my wish list still is new battery animations. When you are on the lock screen or the always on display and you have the phone charging, you still only get the small text on the bottom that says, the percentage and how long it has until full. You don't get any kind of animation or now bar or anything like that. So I kind of wish that they would give you the option to make the now bar persistent, like you can with, the now bar on every other app. So that's one of the things I am hoping for in beta 3. I've heard that there will be some improvements to that, so I don't know if that's going to be one of them or whatnot. But if we go into our lock screen and AOD and now bar settings here, you can see here's all the things that currently work with live notifications, clock, voice recorder, emergency sharing, Samsung Health, interpreter, maps, Samsung Notes, and Bixby. I don't think Maps really works all that well right now. I wasn't able to get it to pop up the other day, and I think what does pop up, if it does come up, is pretty much extremely limited right now. But nonetheless, it is supported, and that only works with the Google Maps app right now. It doesn't work with any third-party apps. Actually, nothing works with the now bar doesn't work with any third-party apps whatsoever right now, because obviously the apps have not been updated to support anything with Samsung's new now bar feature. And then right here we can do music and modes and routines as well. I've shown that in a couple videos if you guys want to go back and see what that looks like with the music now bar and how that works. But those are the settings for it right now. You can see this is kind of weird, like the M's not capitalized like it normally would be. And I don't know why they did that, made it a separate page. It used to be a separate page altogether, but now they have the 3 right here. So I think they should just make it a separate page. There's too many things there to just show the 3. But animations are fluid. No lag really. I haven't really experienced any stuttering or anything like that. Battery life has been good. I've seen some people say battery life's been pretty bad, but for me, I haven't had any issues with battery life or anything like that. It gets me through the day just fine. And I really don't have to worry about it. I don't really have to think about it at all. I can kind of just use the phone and we're all good. So that is beta 2 for One UI 7 here on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. We should be getting beta 3 here shortly, and probably a release of One UI 7, I would say, sometime towards the end of the month. So if you're not on the beta, if there's no beta available for your device, you should have One UI 7 in your hands here very shortly. Hopefully in the next month or so. If you have like an older device, S23 Ultra, Fold 5, something like that, I'm hearing probably about February, you could expect to get One UI 7. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously, this is not any official release date, so there can be delays and setbacks and stuff like that. But hopefully in the next couple months, like I said, everybody will be on One UI 7. It's a great update, and a lot of people are enjoying it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.